It took several weeks, and your classroom walls are covered with diagrams of circles and lines. But it appears that your geometry students finally understand the difference between a radius and a ray and how to measure both. To ensure that these exact topics are covered on the unit test, use the Unified Classroom Library feature to create a new assessment item that can be added to the online assessment. To add a new assessment item, from the navigation menu, click the Library icon. From the Library menu, click Assessment Items. On the Assessment Items page, click Create. In the Item Name field, enter a name for the item. Open the Content Bank menu and select District to make this item available for all users. Open the Minimum Grade Level menu and enter a minimum grade for this question. Select 8th grade. From the Maximum Grade Level menu, add a maximum grade level for the item. Select 12th grade. Next, open the Subject menu and choose a subject. Scroll down the menu and check Math. Click outside of the menu to close it. In the Question and Features section, click Create New. Select an item category from the list on the left. Click Math. Now select an item type. Roll your cursor over Math, fill in the blanks, and click the plus sign. Enter the content of the question using the question editing tools. First, enter the question text. Notice that a preview appears on the right side, so you can see how the question will appear on the test. Next, click the image icon. Drag and drop an image of the math problem onto the screen, and click OK. Click within the template field and use the keyboard options to enter the formula for the equation. Then click outside of it to close the keypad. In the Set Correct Answers section, enter 5 for the points. Use the default selection for the method. Click the Value field and enter the answer to the question. Then click outside of it to close the keypad. Scroll to the Taxonomies section and select the appropriate taxonomy level for each type. Next, in the Standards section, click Edit. Use the Filter tools at the top of the page to filter the standards. Select Subject from the first menu, and choose a mathematics standard set from the second menu. Select a standard by clicking the circle next to the standard. Be aware that each question must have at least one standard aligned to it. Click Add to Question at the bottom right of the page. Click Save. Click Save once more to save the assessment item. Remember, to create a new assessment item in Unified Classroom, first select Library. Click Assessment Items, and then click Create. Next, name the item, select a Content Bank option, set the grade level, and select a subject. In the Questions and Features section, click Create New. Enter the question information, add the taxonomy levels, and add at least one standard. Then click Save. Click Save once more to save the new assessment item. Now that you've created a new assessment item that covers recent topics, you have time to remove your current wallpaper in preparation for the next unit. Polygons should provide some interesting new classroom design possibilities.